The 1971 Pantera by Ringbrothers, aptly named ADRNLN. This iconic car is a perfect blend of classic design and modern engineering, making it a true masterpiece. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications, features, and unique aspects that make this Pantera a standout in the world of custom cars. Engine. At the heart of the Pantera is a powerful Wegner Motorsport LS3 engine. This beast is equipped with a Holley Dominator FE fuel management system, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. The LS3 engine is known for its reliability and power, making it a perfect choice for this custom build. Transmission. The power from the LS3 engine is transmitted through a Bowler ZF5 speed gearbox. This transmission is paired with an independent rear end, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. Wheels and tires. The Pantera rides on HRES1 Series S101 wheels, with the front wheels measuring 19 by 9 and the rear wheels 20 by 12. These wheels are wrapped in Nitto Invo tires, with the front tires sized at 275 to 30R19 and the rear tires at 345 to 30R19. Suspension. The suspension system of the Pantera is a work of art in itself. It features a Roadster Shop C5 Corvette setup with custom tubular control arms and sway bars. The AFCO shocks provide excellent handling and stability. Exhaust. The exhaust system is another highlight of the Pantera. It boasts Flowmaster 44SS mufflers with custom headers designed by Ringbrothers. Brakes. Stopping power is provided by Bear 6S6 piston brakes on both the front and rear. Paint. The exterior of the Pantera is finished in a stunning BASF Glaceret waterborne paint, specifically the yellow line. The interior of the Pantera is as impressive as its exterior. Combining classic design elements with modern technology, the interior offers a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. Seats. Features custom leather seats that provide both comfort and support. These seats are designed to keep you comfortable during long drives while also offering the necessary support for spirited driving. The high-quality leather adds a touch of luxury to the interior.